What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about a thing that I haven't really talked about much. People have mentioned these tokens to me and investing in BRC20 tokens and projects, and I've been kind of hesitant, right? Because it's something new. You know, you're used to what you're used to. People are kind of reluctant to change. Um, I try to change as much as possible. I try to adopt newer and maybe better things, but I see the potential in the things that I'm holding. But then again, I want to kind of baby step my way into it. So if I am going to do that, I want to find the right opportunity. And I think this platform, this project that I'm bringing you today, Befi Labs, actually has that in that makes me want to kind of get into this and at least take these baby steps into BRC20. Now, I want to get into this. We're going to talk about it for a little bit. We're going to understand it and we're going to look at the project as well. So, guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, you have links down below for B5. You want to check that out. I will have their website. I will have their chart. I will have the Twitter account. All the different things that you need to see there. So feel free, again, to go ahead and check that out. Also, if you guys want to check out my link from Margex, that link will be down there as well. Feel free to check that out. But BFi Labs really opened my eyes to the BRC20 world, right? And BRC20 has become insanely popular recently. You know, we've been seeing a lot of people talk about it, and it's because of Bitcoin. It's because of the rise of Bitcoin. So BRC20 for Bitcoin is just like ERC20 for Ethereum. Now, as the crypto is involved in all aspects, BRC20 will certainly be a part of this bull run. And I honestly 100% believe that that will be the case, that we will see BRC20, kind of at the top of everyone's list, especially with the movement that we've seen recently, right? If we look at, BFi Labs and just understanding pieces of that, BFi Labs offers seamless integration with MetaMask, which makes it easy for me because now, I don't really have to go outside of my way to have another platform to make that move. I can utilize MetaMask in that way. You can have instant and fee-free trading of BRC20 tokens. It can be now available and is now a reality for you and for everybody else, thanks to BFi Labs' seamless integration with the popular wallets like MetaMask. BFi Labs is creating a CeDeFi platform with lightning fast trading, and above all, zero fees, which is, again, a big deal, which has always been something that we wanted to focus on, right? When we look at something like Bitcoin and we're like, all right, it's a little slower. It's not really that fast. It's not energy efficient. It costs a little bit, right? We want to see something that's cheaper, that's fast, that's efficient, that's doing everything that we want it to do, but also not wasting our time. It is bridging Ethereum, Binance, and Solana to BRC20 and Ordinals. So there's somewhat competitive market in the BRC20 DEX, but they offer not many trading pairs, and it is slow. There's no good alternative to trade BRC20 tokens. BFi Labs is the only good option. So if you want to explore this more and you're into BRC20 tokens, this could be your way into that without having to go through all of these different hiccups that other options do offer. Some of the key features within it, we're talking about direct wallet trading, lightning fast transactions. You have fee-free trading, enhanced trading experience, zero fee trading, and the ultimate BRC20 trading experience compared to others that are out there, right? That's what we all want. That's what we all want to see, to be able to trade within these assets. So again, let's go into the website really quick. BRC20 Asset Trading Terminal. They are partnered with KuCoin, Uniswap, Bitmart, Gate.io, MEXC Global, BitGet. You can go into and buy BFi, which we will go into the position in a little bit. But lightning fast transactions, ultra low fees within the app you see there. No need to juggle multiple wallets. Just use your preferred one. Explore quick and easy BRC20 asset trading, seamlessly moving across CeFi, DeFi, and Web3 with a single tap. So honestly, it's something that was very open when I started reading this. Like I'm like, okay, maybe I can actually explore BRC20 rather than putting it off for a number of days or a number of weeks or a number of months. And I decided to take that leap into just this project first. I did, just to let you guys know, I did buy a little bit of Befi, not a lot. My plan, I will explain exactly what I plan on doing and supplementing and adding into the position as well. When we look at the project overall, when it comes to Twitter, you see the popularity, 132,000 followers here on Twitter, a decent amount of engagement as well. You look at their pinned post, 52,000 views. You have hundreds of likes, and you see a lot of engagement as they put out a bunch of different posts. So you can go through and follow them on Twitter, go and talk to them, see what they're all about. Especially since you look at the project right now, and the project right now is not at the highest point that it's ever been, which means that it may be at a point to where it's investable for a lot of people, where it's at a point where it's lower, and now you can see that flourish and see that grow because it's at a lower price than where it was. So where it currently stands, if we look at the last day, it's down by 8%. We did see the markets have kind of tumbled a little bit in the last 7 days, down by 34%. In the last month down by 72%. The point is that you're seeing the capability, you're seeing the opportunity for growth. And typically you see a lot of any bad times before you see any of the good times. And currently Befi Labs is sitting at a $4.2 million market cap. It's also seeing 385% increase in the volume, 135% volume to market cap ratio, which shows that popularity. And if you look at the markets that it's available on, it has many markets, right? It has KuCoin, a tier 1 exchange. It has Gate.io and MEXC, borderline tier 1 exchanges as well. BitGet, BingX, Bitmart, right? You have many different platforms to where they're not only partnered with, but you also have the ability to trade the overall position. Now, for me, I decided to buy 2,000 at the moment. So I have 2,000 Befi, as you can see here. The reason why I decided to buy 2,000 Befi was because I see an opportunity in at least diving in or baby stepping into the BRC20 world. And I do want to establish more as time goes on, and add in another 100, add in another 200. My idea is to more supplement things. So adding 200 here, 200 there, maybe sets of 200 into 5 up to $1,000. As we see maybe some a little bit of dilution that can happen within it, as we see some growth potential that can happen with it as well. I mean, this is fairly new. We're talking about, if we look at the last year, which it's not going to give you a year, it's going to give you since March 25th, 2024. You're not looking at a lot of history. And sometimes people will only see one side of it, and they'll say, oh, it's going downhill. We're seeing this side of it, and it's down 69%. You only see one side of it, and that's creating the valley. And what it's going to do is now create the other side of the valley and start creating that mountain and skyrocket, right? So I'm excited for what this could be. I have a little bit of an entry point. I got my feet wet in the position. I don't typically come out and say whether I did buy something, or not. But I felt as though I wanted to, be honest about my plan of exactly what my angle of attack is, not only on this position, but also in the BRC20 world, right? If I'm looking to kind of dive into this world a little bit and maybe invest some more into here, just like I do with ERC20 tokens, I want to let people know the beginning stages of it, or the baby steps of that, and what I'm adopting in order to do that. So let me know your opinion on Befi Labs, if you guys like it, if you guys think it has a lot of potential, if you guys think it's going somewhere, right? Let me know the opinion down below in the comment section. Also, if you want to check out any of the links and get started yourself, feel free to check out those links at the top of the description for Befi Labs, guys. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time out of your day to watch me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.